Welcome to my online video course, Creating Apps Without Coding. This is the introduction and I'm going to show you how to make a new Google account, because the Google account is an account which you need for the app creator and for the platform AdMob, which we will use to make ads in our app. So the first thing I do is type in create new Google account and click on accounts.google.com/sign up. Just wait, and now you have to type in your first and last name. For this example account I just type in test person, and now you have to fill in the username, and the username should be a name you want to show to the public. For example, I will take something like App Studio, and everyone in the Google Play Store will see my username. So I type in App Studio 2018 for this example, and put in a password I can remember well, because this is important. Otherwise I will not only lose my account from which I can publish my apps to the Google account, to the Play Store, Google Play Store, but also I will lose my password to make new apps. So be safe and write down the password on a paper, for example, that you won't forget it. Then you have to click on continue, wait a second, then you can enter a telephone number. This can be useful if you want to restore your password, or you can put in an email address you have already created, but I will skip this step. And now you put in your birth date. I will fill in my birthday, but you have to watch out, because if you are too young to create a Google account, this won't work. So watch out that you are older than 18 when you create your account. And now the next step is to select your gender. I will take just men, but this isn't important, so just fill in the information you know about you, and this information won't be shown on the Google Play Store, for example. So you just click on something and then you can continue, read the contract, and just click on I agree. And now your Google account is created. On this you can change things on the page now where you are now. For example, you can change the language. Yeah, but I think this is everything you have to know